what we're going to do is we're going to move the extended and the Linux swap partition and the extended partition over to this area, and then we're going to expand the main SDA1 to take in all that unallocated space. So in order to do that, first off, we go to Linux swap, partition, and we're going to turn the swap off. And then we're going to go to extended, and we're going to expand it to take up all this unallocated space. This is how we're going to have to move it. We're going to have to go to partition, resize, move, and expand it all the way out here. Click on resize, move. Now, this is not happening now. These are the steps that we're taking, and they will be taken out of. We're just making what we're going to do, and at some point in the future, we're going to apply all the operations. So the next one we're going to do is Linux swap, partition, resize, move, and we're going to move it all the way to the end. Notice it's the same size as in 510 megabytes. Click resize, move, and of course you get your warning. Moving on might cause your operating system to fail to boot. I hope you've backed everything up because that's necessary before starting this. So we're going to click OK. Then we're going to go back to the extended, partition, resize, move, and we're going to decrease that. Now we're at 511 as a new size in megabytes, and we can't get down to 510 using GParted, which was what it was before, but that's okay. Click resize, move, and again you get your warning, and we're going to click OK here. And the final thing we're going to do is click on this SDA1, which is your file system partition. We'll go to partition, resize, move, and we're just going to expand it all the way to the end. Resize, move. Once we've got all our steps in place, go to edit, apply all operations, and again you get a warning about the potential loss of data. So if you've done everything right, you shouldn't lose any data. So we're going to click apply, and it trundles through and goes ahead and does the operations in the order that you've put them down here. Now it's completed. Give you some warnings about different file, what could happen to your data. Details, basically grew the extended partition, you moved the swap partition, and the reason you had to do this in this order is because the swap partition's inside the extended partition, and then we grew, then we shrunk the extended partition, and then we actually grew the primary partition, which had all the files. Click close. We're done here. Close this. And what we're going to do here is we need to just shut down this live CD and then reboot from the Ubuntu HD Resize hard drive. And again, because of the CD, it's going to take a while to shut down. Please remove installation media and close the tray. And we take out the live CD, hit enter. So once the machine is powered off, simply start it back up. In this case, and you've got the CD or DVD removed. It should start from the hard drive. Once it's started, go to Dash Home and go to Disk Utility. Remember, you can type in DISK and it will pop up. We'll open it up and we're going to move it so that we can see the entire screen and 13 gigabyte hard drive. And